Hello everyone, this is Barrister Hassnain Bopara with the lecture number 3 of LLM Environmental Laws. Today I am going to tell you 10 most endangered species of the world. An endangered species is a type of organism that is threatened by the extinction. Species become endangered for two main reasons. Number 1, loss of habitat. Number 2, loss of genetic variation. And a loss of habitat can be happen naturally or unnaturally. Now I am going to tell you the 10 most endangered species of the world, which you have to write down, and it will be very helpful for you in the LLM environmental laws, and this is especially for the students of LLM environmental laws. Now the 10 most endangered species are as following. Number 1, Javan rhinos. Number 2, Amur leopard. Number 3, Sunda island tiger. Number 4, mountain gorillas. Number 5, Tapanuli orangutan. Number 6, Yangtze finless porpoise. Number 7, black rhinos. Number 8, African forest elephant. Number 9, Sumatran orangutan. And number 10, hawksbill turtle. Now we are going to tell you about the Javan rhinos. Once found throughout Southeast Asia, Javan rhinos have suffered a strategic decline in their numbers due to hunting and habitat loss. The lone worldwide population of Javan rhinos is one of the rarest of the rhino species, around 75 individuals, which can only be found on the island of Javan, Indonesia. Number 2, Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats in the world, with only around 100 individuals left in the world. Although their wild population seems to be stable and increasing, these leopard subspecies are still critically endangered since 1996, and there is a good reason that Amur leopard can only be found in the relatively small region of the Far East of Russia and northeastern China at present. Number 3, Sunda island tiger. This is Sunda island tiger. The Sunda island tiger or the Sumatran tiger is the smallest tiger species in the world, weighing up to 140 kgs. For reference, the tigers that live in the Amur region are the biggest of all the big cats. Their males can weigh up to twice as much as the Sunda island tigers. They are also very rare. There are estimated to be around 600 in the wild and are only found in the Indonesian island of Sumatra. And number 4, mountain gorillas. The mountain gorilla is a subspecies of the eastern gorilla, which lives in the two isolated populations in the high altitude forests up in the volcanic mountains regions of the Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda and Uganda, and in the Burundi Imperial National Park of the Uganda. The wilderness landscape has the history of political instability along with high levels of poverty in the region. This poses a substantial threat to the mountain gorilla habitat at present. Despite this, mountain gorillas are making a promising recovery with conservation efforts and interventions from the local and international partners, the World Wildlife Federation through the International Gorilla Conservation Program. At present, only over 1,000 individuals are in the world. Tapanuli orangutan is in the number 5. The Tapanuli orangutan is a newly described species of the orangutan listed in the distinct species in 2017. They are only found in the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. Number 6, Yangtze finless porpoise. The Yangtze finless porpoise is the odd one out of its family, as it is the only living freshwater porpoise found in the world. This aquatic mammal currently resides in the Yangtze River in China and is listed as a critically endangered species. 1,000 individuals are only present in the world. And number 7, black rhinos. Between 1960 and 1995, black rhinos population suffered dramatic losses in the numbers due to large-scale poaching. Around 2% survived in the last past. Now there are, according to the IUCN, with around 5,630 individuals in the wild. Number 8, African forest elephant. Deep in the dense human forests of the West and Central Africa, you can find the exclusive forest elephant on the two members of the African elephant species. They are critically endangered by an estimated 86% over 31 years. Today, African forest elephants occupy around 25% of their historic range, scattered among 20 different African nations, mostly in Gabon and Republic of Congo. Number 9 is Sumatran orangutan. Sumatran orangutan is found exclusive in the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. IUCN said that present less than 14,000 individuals in the world. That there are only 14,000 individuals of orangutans in the world. Between 1985 and 2007, these great apes lost 60% of their forest habitats. And last but not least, hawksbill turtle. Hawksbill turtle is the seventh species of marine turtles, and only some of the turtle left due to the plastic pollution into the rivers and sea levels. So, hawksbill turtle are endangered species.